Can the ICICI Pru Gold Pension Savings Plan ensure steady income and wealth creation for your golden years? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So, this is a participating non-linked pension individual savings product. So now let us find out the key features of this product. So you can enjoy an assured benefit of 105% of the total premiums paid, along with the potential for growth through declared bonuses to help build a retirement corpus for you. And you also get access to periodic complimentary health checkups after completing 3 policy years or upon reaching 50 years of age, whichever is later. And you can also start accumulating bonuses from the first policy year to enhance your retirement savings. And you can even benefit from the flexibility to withdraw a portion of your retirement fund during major life event or medical emergencies. And you can defer receiving policy proceeds up to the age of 75 and allow your vesting corpus to grow at a reverse repo linked rate, which means this policy has flexible vesting options. And you can also avail all tax benefits on your premiums paid and benefits received as per prevailing tax laws. So these are some of the features of this policy. Now let's move on to taking a look at the benefits of this policy. So first is the vesting benefit, which on survival of the policyholder till the end of the policy term, you will get a vesting benefit which will be equal to the sum of your assured benefit on vesting, which is equal to 105% of the sum of total premiums paid plus accumulating cash bonus if you had any, less any total amount of part withdrawal and using the special withdrawal feature, plus terminal bonus if it was declared. So all these sum will be your vesting benefit. So how you can utilize this vesting benefit? You can utilize this entire vesting benefit to purchase an immediate annuity or deferred annuity from the insurer at the then prevailing annuity rate, or you can commute or withdraw up to 60% of the entire vesting benefit and utilize the balance amount to purchase an immediate annuity or deferred annuity from the insurer at the then prevailing annuity rate. And you also have the option to purchase an immediate annuity or deferred annuity from another insurer at the then prevailing rate by utilizing not more than 50% of the proceeds of the policy net of commutation. So these are the ways you can utilize this vesting benefit. Now let's take a look at the death benefit. So your death benefit is something which you, the nominee or the legal heir gets if the policyholder unfortunately passes away during the policy term. So the death benefit here will be equal to your assured benefit on death, which is equal to 105% of the sum of total premium paid, and you're accumulating cash bonuses less any partial withdrawals made. And if you interim bonus, terminal bonus will also be included if it was declared. So the nominee can receive this death benefit either as a lump sum or choose to annuitize the same. So these are all the benefits of this policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. So the advantages are you get a special withdrawal option where you can withdraw up to 25% of your total premium paid throughout the policy term, and there is also a loan facility available where you can access a loan of up to 80% of your surrender value when needed, and there is a flexible vesting date where you can postpone your vesting date up to maximum age of 75 years as per your financial needs. And there is a silver benefit, which is you can enjoy periodic complimentary health checkups as part of this plan's benefit. So these are some of the advantages. The disadvantages are there is no maturity benefit available at this policy because it only provides vesting benefit at the end of the policy term, and the sum assured offered under this policy is also relatively minimal, and the benefits you get in this policy are also non-guaranteed benefits because these benefits depend on bonuses, making them subject to variability. So these are also certain drawbacks present in this policy which you need to carefully consider before choosing to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us move on to analyzing this policy, of understanding whether investing in it will be worth it in the long run or not. So let us understand how this policy will include us in helping us in a post-retirement years through an IRR analysis of this policy, which is the internal rate of return. So let us assume that a 40-year-old male invests 1 lakh rupees annually in the ICICI Pru Gold Pension Savings Plan. So the premium payment term here is 10 years, while the policy term extends to 20 years with a vesting age of 60. So the death benefit under this plan is 10.50 lakhs. The individual pays premium for the first 10 years and the benefits along with the bonuses vest at the age of 60. This vesting benefit, unlike a maturity benefit, cannot be directly encashed at the end of the policy term. This is a very important point you need to remember. So at an assumed rate of 4% per annum, this assumed rate is to indicate the worst case scenario. If the policy performed in a poor manner, then we are going to calculate in a 4% per annum. Just for calculation purpose, these are not guaranteed lower or upper limits that you can get from this policy. The performance will depend on how this policy performs, right? So this 4% and 8% only indicates the worst and best case scenario, just for example purpose. So in a worst case scenario, at an assumed rate of 4% return per annum, the vesting benefit is 16.70 lakhs with an IRR of 3.33%, while the assumed rate at the assumed rate of 8% per annum, which is to indicate the worst case scenario, the vesting benefit is 29.42 lakhs with an IRR of 7.08%. While the projected returns may appear attractive, these figures are notional, meaning as the vesting benefit is not directly accessible. So the plan restricts you from using the accumulated corpus for personal goals or investing it at your discretion. Instead, you are mandated to purchase an annuity plan with up to 60% of the corpus available for commutation. The remaining corpus is then invested in an annuity plan at prevailing rate, which is separate from the ICICI Pru Gold Pension Savings Plan. This lack of flexibility makes this plan less appealing as an investment option. See, what you need to understand is that retirement plans generally consist of two phases, the accumulation phase and the distribution phase. However, this plan focuses only on the accumulation phase, leaving out the distribution phase. Additionally, the final annuity payouts under this plan are non-guaranteed. So let us approach an alternative investment strategy that can channel our savings more effectively, giving us full control over retirement corpus. So what we are going to do is, we are going to use the same metrics from the previous example, but instead of investing in an insurance cum investment policy like this, we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately. So we are going to address the life insurance needs separately with a pure term life insurance policy. So a term plan with a sum assured of 10.50 lakhs cost only 12,900 rupees annually for a policy term of 20 years and a premium paying term of 10 years. So this leaves us 87,100 rupees from the 1 lakh annual budget we had for ICICI Pru Gold Pension Savings Plan. So we use this amount to invest based on our risk tolerance. So let us assume that if you are a risk aggressive investor, like you are a conservative investor, then you can invest in public provident fund, PPF, which is a government backed fund which has tax benefits as well. So by contributing to a PPF account with adjustments in the last few years, which is a minimum investment of 500 rupees per year, the maturity value at the end of 20 years is 25.70 lakhs with an IRR of 6.18%. While this is lower than the 8% projected scenario of the policy, the entire corpus is accessible to you without restriction. And if you're a high risk investor, meaning you're an aggressive investor, then you can invest in equity linked savings scheme ELSS, which is also a tax saving equity tool. So by investing in ELSS mutual fund, the maturity proceeds amount to 53.16 lakhs after 20 years. After deducting capital gains tax, the post tax corpus is 47.76 lakhs with a post tax IRR of 10.33%. 33%. This alternative strategy offers you complete flexibility to use the accumulated fund as per your financial need. The substantial corpus can be further invested in diversified asset classes to generate regular retirement income. So, with proper portfolio rebalancing, you can ensure inflation adjusted income during your golden years. This flexibility, which is crucial for effective retirement planning, is lacking in the ICICI Pro Gold Pension Savings Plan. So now, what is the final verdict on the ICICI Pro Gold Pension Savings Plan? Is it worth investing or not? As you can see from our analysis, that this policy has a limitation where your accumulated corpus isn't fully available for you to use, because here you pay premium to build a corpus, still your accumulated corpus isn't for you to fully available to use. Instead, it must be used to purchase an annuity plan. This limitation means you don't fully enjoy the benefits of the ICICI Pro Gold Pension Savings Plan. Moreover, the plan lacks clarity on how the annuity works, leaving uncertainty about whether the regular income it provides can keep pace with rising expenses. Additionally, the final corpus is not guaranteed as it depends on bonuses. And the sum assured under the plan is relatively low, and also it has a high agent commission. So these drawbacks makes the ICICI Pro Gold Pension Savings Plan a less attractive option for retirement planning. A better approach is to direct your savings toward building a substantial retirement corpus through more flexible investment strategies, like in the example in the comparative analysis we saw.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.